Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing your device and backing up important data before you begin. Make a full backup of contacts, call logs, and phone settings to your Google account or local storage. Reboot your phone into safe mode and test the original dialer behavior for about 30 seconds so you can compare changes. Safe mode disables third-party apps and isolates the issue clearly. This preparation helps you reverse changes quickly if needed. Open Settings and go to Apps or Apps and Notifications to manage app preferences. Tap Default Apps, then choose the phone app and switch to a different dialer if one is available. Next, select the current phone app, tap Storage, and clear cache and clear data to reset local settings safely. If the app supports it, tap the three dots and choose Uninstall Updates to revert to the factory version. Test calling for about 2 minutes to confirm the new settings. For advanced users, use ADB to clear dialer-specific data and preferences from a connected computer. Run a DB devices to confirm connection, then use a DB shell PM clear COM. Android, dialer to reset the dialer package. If the system dialer is restricted, consider uninstalling updates via ADB with a DB shell PM uninstall user 0 package. Name. If issues persist, back up everything and perform a factory reset to remove persistent changes. Finally, contact your carrier or device manufacturer about enforced network features that may override local settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.